Hello. Good morning, guys. May luluto pa ako ngayon. And then, may binigay sa akin ng aking pinsan ito. Ito po yung binigay sa akin ng pinsan. Ang tawag nito ay magsaysay. Ito ay gawa ng malagkit na may choco sa loob. Ang tawag kaya ang tawag nito magsaysay. Di ko alam kung bakit magsaysay. Binigay ito sa akin, pinadala. Ngayon, hindi ka ba maubos lahat yan? 6 yan eh, 4 na lang. Kasi pa isa-isa lang everyday. Ngayon, hindi ko makain kasi nag-vertigas o. Kainitin natin, guys. Dito na ako sa kusina. Iinitin ko ito, pero since I don't have a steamer, then dito ko lang po ito i-edit sa kawali. Ayan, guys. Nagpa-edit ako ng tubig. Ayan, uy, parang sobrang dami. Nagpa-edit ako ng tubig, guys. Ayan, kumukulo na siya. Ngayon ito, i-steam natin hanggang sa lumambot siya ulit para masarap kain. Parang good as new. Takpan mo natin, guys, ng ilang minutes. Ayan. Okay, later, guys. Okay, guys, I have a coffee stick. I will make coffee, guys. Okay, guys, I have now my black coffee. New sugar. Let's with the magsaysay done. So, guys, wait a minute. Okay, guys, I think the magsaysay is already done. Not 15 minutes, it's only 7 minutes, I think. Now, the magsaysay is already done. Look at that. Magsaysay is already done. I will put it on the plate. Now, we are preparing to uncover the magsaysay. Okay, guys, this is it. We uncover the magsaysay, okay? Magsaysay. Oh, see that? Oh, guys, so. This is it, guys. Now, guys, I have a black coffee. I have the magsaysay. This is sweet, so no need to put sugar. I will show you you see that malagkit ito po, guys, na filled with choco inside. You see that, guys? It looks so yummy. Then you can enjoy your breakfast now. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Wish you watch my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and support my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you know that I have new uploaded video. Okay, guys, thank you. It's time to eat. Love you, guys. Bye. I will eat this. Bye. Love you.